This is the trade that I took, so let's go over it. We had news today at 8:30, a red folder, so I was looking for price to run up at 8:30 and take out a major liquidity level and then run down to the 60-minute fair value gap that I identified. Now, I was expecting this to happen, and I took a short trade, got my 10 points, and I had my exit right at the top of the fair value gap. And because of time, I was looking for price to then run up a little bit and not clear that gap until after the opening bell. So when we talk about trading time and price, I'm expecting time to dictate what will happen in price action. So with a major red folder, you're going to get a lot of volatility, and so I like to look for those major levels of liquidity, either sell side or buy side liquidity. This particular day, they took out the buy side liquidity from the daily void fill. So here is the trade that I took. This trade actually took 4 minutes from entry to exit. This is really important to trading my setup, this idea of trading time and price. I'm highlighting my breaker here to show my entry, and as you can see, I also exited this trade right at the top of that fair value gap. This volatility was exactly what I was looking for. I am going to now sort of expand a bit so you can see the entry and exit of this trade. Came right to that bearish breaker on the 1 minute. And like I said, my bias was bearish because we had taken out that major level of liquidity. And so I was just looking for price to come down right to the top of that fair value gap, tap it, and then probably go up for a while before the opening bell, and then I expect it to be filled today. 10 before 10.